Hi, this is David from Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today I'll be asking a popular question: where's my micro SD card in my Panasonic ToughPad FCM1? This is very simple. First thing you want to do is flip your tablet over. There's a little switch here that unlocks and locks the battery. Once you do that, the battery will pop up and you can remove it. Once that battery is removed, you'll see a small door right here that has the micro SIM and the micro SD card slots. And you can remove and replace. There's nothing wrong with this one, so I'll just put that right back. And that's it. It's always there. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments, you can leave below. Thanks.